Hey everybody, this is going to be really quick. If anybody has experience with MIG welders, I ordered some parts. Well, I ordered the patch panels for the wheel arches there. Got those ordered, and Jesse wants in, and some new body filler. But my MIG welder, I haven't used it in a couple years, and the wire is a little rusty. You can see where I ran it down through here, and there's rust down here. And now I think I'm plugged up in here. Does anybody know how to clean that out? Yes, but I think that's Buddy. But I've kind of read that you can just take this all apart, get the wire out of it, take compressed air, lay it out as straight as you can, and blow it out. I think the whole new assembly doesn't cost too much, but it just won't feed wire through anymore. It was doing just fine. If I would help it pull the wire through with some pliers, it'd do just fine. But this roll of wire, yeah, it's got rust on it. I have another one just like this. It's all wrapped up in plastic and ready to go. But as much as the weather changes, I don't know if I want to do that. And I just need like a cheap roll of wire, like a really small roll of wire. Either that, or I'm going to have to put the new roll on and take it off every night and put it up in the house. Buddy, you need to stop whining out there. He's such a crybaby. He's such a big dog, but he is a crybaby. But anyway, if you have experience with this, please comment down below, because I really don't. And from what I've read, just take it apart, lay it out as straight as you can, get the wire out of it, and blow it out with compressed air, and that would probably work. And maybe if I unravel the whole bunch of this wire, it's not rusty underneath, but it just has, I don't know if you can see it, it just has little fine rust on it. Haven't used this thing in a couple years. So anyway, guys, if you have any ideas, let me know, or maybe I'll just have to get a whole new liner, the whole, I don't know what you call it, the hose or whatever, everything for that. This is a Thermodyne, or not Thermodyne, Thermal Arc 181i. And it's really worked well for me. I want to get it so when I get the parts, I can start fixing up the bed of this truck. So anyway, if you have any ideas, shoot them in the comments below, and we'll go from there. So anyway, quick little thing here. So have a good night, everybody.